Welcome back, guys, to another video on What's in the Box Miss OG, and today we will be opening this box right here. Inside this box may contain items that you may like, so please like, share, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you can see some more. Alright, let's get to unboxing.
So today we have Alexio Warrior. Say what's up.
Hi.
We have I am Ashley Anime 41, also as Slug as a Bug Gamer. She's on here, and of course you have Mama Duff 64, aka Mama D, and we got a mystery box right here. Make sure you guys go to our other sister channels and check out our other content, and let's find out what's in this box right here. Who's gonna open it up?
Yes, me.
Open it up. Wow, so we got books in here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 different types of books here. So let's get into what these possibly could be. This one is Beverly Cleary. This is called Buzzes and Ramona. I guess this is a kid's book to read.
It's Beezicus, I think.
Musica? Whatever it's called. I guess it's a child's novel for grade maybe 4th and 5th and 6th graders. This looks like an interesting read. Oh, sex, beauty, and all of that stuff. This is a guide for teenagers. I believe it is teaching teenagers about their bodies and stuff like this. What could possibly happen? Make sure you have parental permission to get that book. It's a little grown-up book. This one also looks like a teen guide for boys. The Teenage Boy Guide to Everything. So everything. They probably have one made for girls too. So if you're a girl, make sure you have parental consent to go and order it. And then the Boy's Guide to Becoming a Teenager. And this one is more geared to the age of 8 until 17. So make sure you also have your permission from your parents to order this guide too. So it teaches everything you possibly should know about emotions and how to deal with stress, how to wash up your body, how to exercise, how to talk to girls. And I'm sure they also